10 Unique Gadgets on Amazon 2025. Imagine a world where gadgets don't just make life easier but redefine how we interact with technology and each other. From portable chargers that can power up in record time to cutting-edge smart glasses that bring augmented reality to your fingertips, the year 2025 is packed with groundbreaking inventions available on Amazon. These aren't just gadgets, they're tools that push the boundaries of innovation, offering features we once thought belonged to the realm of science fiction. Logitech MX Master 3S. The Logitech MX Master 3S is a masterpiece of precision and comfort, setting a new standard for computer mice. Designed for both professionals and casual users, this wireless mouse boasts remarkable features like an ultra-fast electromagnetic scroll wheel and customizable buttons that make multitasking a breeze. The ergonomic design ensures hours of usage without strain, while the silent clicks maintain a distraction-free environment. Under the hood, its advanced 8K DPI sensor offers pinpoint accuracy, even on glass surfaces, making it perfect for any workspace. Coupled with Bluetooth and USB receiver compatibility, switching between devices is instantaneous. The battery life? Absolutely stellar, lasting up to 70 days on a single charge. The MX Master 3S isn't just a mouse. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to elevate your digital experience like never before. Anker Key 2 Fast Portable Charger. When it comes to portable power, the Anker Key 2 Fast Portable Charger is a game-changer. This sleek and compact device features the latest Qi 2 wireless charging technology, delivering lightning-fast charging speeds without the clutter of cables. Whether you're on a road trip, at the office, or hiking a mountain, the Anker Key 2 ensures your devices are always powered up and ready to go. Its compatibility with multiple devices, from smartphones to earbuds, makes it a versatile addition to your tech arsenal. The charger is built with advanced safety features, including temperature control and overcharge protection, ensuring your devices stay safe during every charge cycle. What sets it apart is its durability and portability, with a robust yet lightweight design that fits comfortably in your pocket. With the Anker Key 2, running out of battery is a worry of the past. This is modern convenience at its best. Camru GK3 Plus Mini PC. The Camru GK3 Plus Mini PC packs desktop-level power into a tiny portable frame. Perfect for professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. This mini PC is equipped with cutting-edge hardware, including Intel's latest processors, ample RAM, and blazing fast SSD storage. Despite its small size, the GK3 Plus handles everything from intensive multitasking to gaming and video editing effortlessly, proving that great things do indeed come in small packages. One of its standout features is its incredible connectivity options, including multiple USB ports, HDMI, and Ethernet, allowing you to create a comprehensive workstation anywhere. Shox Open Run Pro. The Shox Open Run Pro redefines how we listen to audio on the move. Featuring bone conduction technology, this lightweight headset delivers crystal-clear sound while leaving your ears open to ambient noise, a crucial feature for outdoor runners, cyclists, and commuters. The comfortable wraparound design ensures a snug fit, even during intense workouts, while its long battery life lets you enjoy hours of uninterrupted listening. The magic lies in its audio performance, which offers deep bass and crisp treble, ensuring an immersive experience without compromising safety. Sweatproof and water-resistant, the Open Run Pro is built for active lifestyles, making it the ultimate companion for fitness enthusiasts. Alcatel WP36 2024 Rugged Smartphone. The Alcatel WP36 2024 rugged smartphone is built like a tank, ready to withstand the harshest conditions. With military-grade durability, this smartphone is resistant to water, dust, and drops, making it perfect for adventurers and workers in demanding environments. Its massive battery ensures days of usage on a single charge, while the robust build keeps it operational, even in extreme temperatures. Despite its rugged exterior, the WP36 doesn't skimp on features. It boasts a high-resolution camera, a vivid display, and fast processing speeds, offering performance on par with premium smartphones. Meta Ray-Ban Smart Glasses. Step into the future with the Meta Ray-Ban Smart Glasses, a perfect fusion of style and cutting-edge technology. These smart glasses bring augmented reality and seamless connectivity to your daily life. With a sleek and iconic Ray-Ban design, they look just like regular sunglasses, but they house advanced tech like built-in cameras, microphones, and speakers. You can capture spontaneous moments with a simple tap, listen to music on the go, or take hands-free calls, all without pulling out your phone. What truly sets these glasses apart is their ability to integrate with Meta's augmented reality features, giving you a futuristic way to navigate, access information, and stay connected. Meta Quest 3S 128GB. The Meta Quest 3S 128GB is not just a VR headset, it's a portal to limitless virtual experiences. With improved resolution, faster processing, and enhanced hand tracking, this latest iteration offers an immersive experience like no other. Whether you're exploring distant planets, diving into thrilling games, or collaborating with colleagues in a virtual office, the Meta Quest 3S provides unmatched versatility and realism. Its standalone design eliminates the need for a PC or console, making it a portable powerhouse. The 128GB storage ensures ample space for your favorite apps, games, and media, while its advanced motion tracking delivers a smooth and responsive experience. Gadget Phone Stand. The Gadget Phone Stand might seem like a simple gadget, but its versatility and functionality make it a must-have for anyone who owns a smartphone. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this stand is designed to hold your phone securely, whether you're working, streaming, or video chatting. Its adjustable angles and height ensure the perfect viewing position, reducing neck strain and enhancing your overall experience. What sets the Gadget Phone Stand apart is its attention to detail. The stand includes non-slip silicone pads to keep your phone stable even during touchscreen use. It also has a built-in cable management system, keeping your desk tidy and organized. Beats Studio Buds Plus. For audiophiles and casual listeners alike, the Beats Studio Buds Plus offer a premium listening experience in a compact, stylish package. These true wireless earbuds deliver exceptional sound quality with balanced bass and crisp highs, making your favorite music, podcasts, and calls come to life. Active Noise Cancellation (ANC) technology immerses you in your audio by blocking out background noise, while Transparency Mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings when needed. The lightweight ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort, and the sweat-resistant build makes them perfect for workouts or outdoor adventures. With a long battery life and quick charging capability, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the ultimate action camera for adventurers, creators, and thrill seekers. Known for its rugged durability and unmatched video quality, the Hero 13 takes things to the next level with advanced features like 5.3K video resolution, improved stabilization, and extended battery life. Whether you're scaling mountains, diving into deep waters, or capturing high-speed action, the Hero 13 delivers stunning visuals that make your adventures unforgettable. Its waterproof design ensures reliability in even the harshest environments, while the intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to control and navigate. The Hero 13 also boasts live streaming capabilities, allowing you to share your experiences in real time with friends and followers. With a plethora of mounting options and accessories, this camera adapts to any scenario, ensuring you never miss a moment. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.